Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable offline mail in Gmail on your PC. Enabling offline mail allows you to access and read your emails even when you don't have an internet connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. On the top right corner of the Gmail interface, locate and click on the Settings button. It looks like a gear icon. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top row of tabs, click on Offline. This will open the offline settings for Gmail. Step 5. Next to Offline, you will find a checkbox. Enable the checkbox by clicking on it. This will activate the offline mail feature in Gmail. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled offline mail in Gmail on your PC. Now you can access and read your emails even when you're offline, ensuring you never miss any important messages. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more exciting Gmail tutorials.